everyone. I don't even know if it's working. Okay, it's working. Alright, hello everyone. Okay, this is good enough, but I'd like to make the internal microphone a little bit bigger. The sounds. Okay. So this monitor is being streamed. Alright. Control Alt D. Sudo admin -s docker. Maybe. Oh yeah. So do that to install Docker, and then you'll need to fix the permission issues by creating new Docker group and adding a user to the group. If you take a look, I think I had the image, postgres image, 17. I feel like there's Docker postgres images. Let's take a look if there's another image or not. Okay, there's 18 as well, but we'll be sticking with 17. Why, I don't know. Just and set up Django with Docker postgres. Let's see if we can do something like this. But I would like to not containerize my Docker application right now. I want to use I want to spin up the database container, but use the default the Python manage.python solver from my localhost only. Set up Django with Docker Postgres. I wish. You want to run Django locally on your machine, not inside Docker, but keep Postgres inside Docker, so you don't have to install / configure Postgres on your host. Okay, nice. So this is what I would like to do. So we'll create a Docker container for Postgres. So docker compose.yml. Okay. I should really start to use PyCharm professionally. This will be kind of like one of the ways so that I'll know how to use PyCharm. Okay, this I will struggle, but I'll learn to use an environment that is inherently better than VS Code. I think I don't really understand this, but yeah. So okay, it's opening. God damn, this internet everything. This is very heavy. But okay. Okay. RUNSCRVL. Okay, let's see Python payment.views has no attribute webhooks. So there are things that I need to fix in this. Let's go into payment, and we are in URLs right now. Template views doesn't matter. This over here, admin payment config. Okay. Circular import ID. Project settings can be added to Git. Let's add. URL conf. E-commerce does not have any patterns in it. URL patterns. So fuck it. I don't want to mess with this payments right now. All I care about, like, for this video is to configure this. What the fuck? I have not even added it here. Shit. Okay. Let's just remove everything. Right? It says Django DB utils operational error, connection to server localhost, port 5432 failed, connection refused. 5432. Found you. Where is it? Okay, so database ki ma jasto lagiरहेछ मलाई. Miniconda. Gee. Source this one, and we'll do python manage.python server. So it says our 5432 भनेको चाहिँ okay, my bad, I'm a little slow. 5432 means we've configured our database port as 5432. So this is our default Postgres database. So create a file name dockercompose.yml. Okay, let's make this file new Python file, not Python file. Let's just make a file dockercompose.yml. Do you want to add? Okay, let's add it. Right? And we'll specify our version. Kisko version? Docker ko version ho? Ki kisko? So from what I've understood, we can like run multiple services in this, like by defining it over here. Basically, like services means multiple containers. So we'll be naming our service, like the container, as Postgres, not Postgres, but well, it's a service called Postgres, which will have its container name as Django Postgres. Okay, we see it as Postgres, and we'll take the image. Which image is it going to be? Docker ps-a docker images. It's image name Postgres :17. What the fuck? Okay. Postgres :17, and then so space is mandatory, and container name will be e-commerce db, and restart I don't understand this one. Environment is, we will copy these three. Okay, also this one. PostgresDB, and for ports we'll use this. Right? I'll be back in a second. Let me change this scene to a media source. Okay. What do I do? I'll be back in a flash. Alright, we are back. So okay, my Postgres database name will be e-commerce db, and this container name will be e-commerce Postgres. Okay, and user will be Postgres, right? Let's take this post Postgres, and my port is 5432 नै छ, and volume चाहिँ pg data को लागि varlib यसमा स्टोर गर्ने रे है, अनि volumes भनेर चाहिँ pg data भनेर छ. Alright, so यदि सबै कुराहरु भयो, what is this? Do not synchronize with the services to services. के हो र docker को के त होला यार. Okay, never mind. Let's यसलाई चाहिँ अपडेट गरौँ अब है. सेटिङ्समा गएर नेम के हो, डेटाबेसको नाम के हो, e-commerce db, युजर के हो postgres, पासवर्ड के हो postgres, होस्ट लोकल होस्ट हो बिकज Django runs on your local host. पोर्टमा चाहिँ नम्बर नै छ यसमा. ओके, डजन्ट म्याटर है. अब on your host where Django runs, so यसमा चाहिँ हुनु पर्यो it's already okay. I'll need to docker compose of and run it in detached mode. So we have created our container. If we take a look over here, we have a Docker container running. That should be data source. We'll take Postgres, name Postgres at localhost 5432, authentication user and password postgres, and our this URL is gdbc. Why gdbc? I don't understand. Okay, what the fuck? Alright. Okay, so public भित्र चाहिँ हाम्रो आउनु पर्यो हैन. Okay, so if I refresh this and if I make migrations, so no change detected, and if I do migrate, nothing's happening. What the fuck? So this is for do you also want me to show how to connect that Postgres container with GUI tool like pgadmin db? What is the sample schema of this. Should I do this? Not. यो एकछिन मैले किन बुझिरहेको छैन टेबलहरु यता आउँछ हैन मतलब मेरो यही देखिनु पर्ने यहाँ देखिरा छैन सो अकाउन्ट अथ एडमिन प्रोडक्ट कार्ड यो सबै चीज भइसक्यो हैन तर हुन चाहिँ तर देखिकै पनि रहेको छैन why would that be अब यसो हेरौँ है docker exec sh हो कि के हो how do I get into it docker exec dash it के अरे इन्टरेक्टिभ र टी भने खै के थियो अनि कन्टेनरको नाम e-commerce postgres psql dash u postgres भनेर हामीले भित्र घुस्ने and will go into e database को नाम के हो okay our database's name is e-commerce db so slash dt and semicolon it turns out we have all these products like all these tables over here but we see nothing why is that we don't see anything over here what the fuck के भइरहेछ यो that means postgres viewer linux के हुन्छ pg admin beekeeper studio AUR है alright so यहाँ AUR मा रहेछ यो चाहिँ beekeeper studio I think it's going to build it I forgot what happened the last time I did it but I feel like it actually built the entire thing दुई दिन चाहिँ कति थियो अनि गरिरहेको थियो जस्ट might be completely fucking wrong but well who knows we'll see Kerberos. What is Kerberos? I read this in what was that? Cryptography. KDC, key distribution. Okay. Kerberos one के पो थियो? That was okay. It's protocol. All right. PyCharm DB not updating. Schema is not updating. Okay. Control F5. Control F5 to make it. Just the red control and F5. Okay. Public में देखाउनु पर्ने थियो अब कि त there's something that I don't really understand. Method. God damn. Using data grip, Oracle and app autosync on working on a small. Let's see what this says. So okay, it's a check that migrations actually applied. Show migrations bhairachha. You are the honey bhairachha. Right click on your schema, example public, jump to data source properties, schema tabs, make sure public. Right click on your schema, okay, public, and then go to jump to data source properties. Data source properties, right? कहाँ छ यो भने? Maybe in schemas tab. What did I just do? Hey. I'm going to watch a YouTube video. मैले केही नि बुझेन. तर होस् हामीले बीकीपर युज गर्छौं नि हैन अब. हो कि नै? What the hell? मैले भर्खर गराएँ नि त्यो चीज. ओके यो भयो रे, म्यानुअल इन्टरभेन्सन इज रिक्वायर्ड रे. अब केमा आइरहेको थियो? फेलियर. अब फ्ल्याट अपबाटै हुन्छ अब. फ्ल्याटबाट इन्स्टल गरौँ. Not that important. Beekeeper. Right click on your schemas, example public मा जाने, and then in Python database right click properties, Java किन छ के, what the fuck, किन छ Java, JDBC भनेर किन छ यो. Nope, isn't working, not working. Update 13 plugins. Okay, I'll let them auto update. And our Beekeeper Studio is installed. Alright, my connection type is Postgres, username and password, okay, host and port 5432, nice, postgres, password is same, default database. What does this mean? Default database means database name. Okay, I think connection looks good, right? So okay, let's just connect this, and then demo query. What the hell? Entities are 200 यतिवटा छ अरे. Okay, we'll do this again. Default database. So what was our database name? Name is e-commerce DB. Put this all in here, and it says let's try to save this first and then connect. Okay, it's working. Alright, now it seems to be working and it looks nice. Cart item, nothing is here. So did I do something? No, I did not. Manage.py, and then there was a management command. There is a management command. Populate something, or well, there was something I forgot. I need to have it to use this in a like terminal on a different screen so that I'll be able to see all the logs at the same time. Okay, I'll add this here, second screen capture, laptop screen as well. Okay, must be okay. This must be okay. Python manage.py and hell. There's populate products. Cannot import name product attribute from products.model. Okay, this is very valid because previously I used to have let me show. There used to be an extra table called product attribute, but then it got to me that I could just use a JSON field for like making attributes and all. So I started doing that, and as you can see, there's additional info and JSON field, and there used to be another table called product attribute, which I apparently removed. Not apparently, I did remove it. I remember doing that. And so it's in models.py from products. We'll need to go into its management command in populate db, and we'll just comment this create product attributes and create categories. Do that to make the products. It's okay. And dimensions, okay, variant and attributes, product images. All right, where is the AI chat? To be honest, I used to let the VS Code handle this management thing. Change the management. Change the populate product file to match the models in product app. Okay. Product attribute does not exist. It's in the right track. It's trying to check if product attribute was removed, and upon reading the migration, it should be able to understand the migration was removed. So update the references to match current model structure. It would be nice if it includes the product. Where is it? This one? Not this one. Where the fuck is it? Yeah, in additional info, if it were to like passing the JSON field as well, it would be nice, very nice, to be honest. Removes the product, self create product. So it removed all that, and create product attributes using additional info field, JSON field by nice. Let me check if there are any syntax errors. So products, yes, one other change. Alright, this is what I need. It's nice. Sure. Okay, it seems it has created the product. There are still no bugs, but we have our product now. We have the product images and product variant. Color blue, warranty. Okay, nice. Okay, good. So this should be okay now. What I set out to do is actually completed. This is what I wanted to do, and I have already done it with the help of AI. Can't feel it. Let's go for the browsable API. 127.8,000. It's not running. Python manage.py and run server 8,000. Yeah. So let's go to admin. Okay, we have not created a super user yet. Create super user. Okay. Our virtual environment isn't activated, so our email is admin@gmail.com. admin, yes, admin@gmail.com and admin. Alright, so we have, well, apparently we have a lot of things over here. In our categories, it's been populated, and our product image is this object. Product variant is this one. For our products, we have this color, natural, material, wood, assembly required. No, it's digital and all. Okay, it's fine. Should I damn, Last of Us is about to finish downloading. I'll need to see if it actually works in Linux. But yeah, it's working. Let's go to this docs API. Let's go to Swagger docs, enter, and okay, let's see, product category ID, create detail list, update, put patch. E-commerce website inspirations. Built with Squarespace.
इंपोर्टेड गाड़ी का यही लफड़ा है, वो स्पार्क प्लग तो अभी तक नहीं मिल रहा मेरे को। एक्चुअली बाकी सारे स्पार्क प्लग शॉर्ट है। मैंने एनजीके का भी एक ऐड किया था वो। अरे
this seems nice. God damn. Collection main sort by equals manual and sort by manual and filter p.m all words video category subtype water repellents category subtype product type में से ये था है ना inverted index like in search engine maps words to list of documents entries that contain them. Used for full text searching and ranking. What's a debounced input trigger? Input your typing is monitored with a short delay like 100 or 300 milliseconds. If you pause typing for a moment, then request is triggered. This is called debouncing and it reduces how often the solver is called. Ajax request sent. After debouncing, an asynchronous request usually get is sent to the server with your current query string. Q equals to app. Example your Q equals to app. Alright. Ani server responds with solutions. The server returns a list of search solutions or instant results, often in JSON format. The frontend then updates the UI immediately with those solutions. Why not do it all locally? Search engines like Google or Bing have billions of terms. Previously typed prefixes like ATP may be cached locally to avoid repeated server calls. Incremental objects only send what's changed, not the full query every time. Fuzzy matching and type tolerance. Turn server side to reduce client processing load. Summary is your typed inputs trigger server calls, but they are optimized with debouncing. Only prefixes or server changes, relevant changes are sent. Solutions are generated server side based on live data. As another. Shoot, you curious. Boost sales with localized recommendations. Also gives you a competitive edge. Okay, Adidas is the way to go. I don't need to make anything complex. Just let it be simple, plain. Yeah. What the font is this? Using white, yes. How do I do that? Vanilla JavaScript. Okay, React. Normally one करे right पर depreciated ये चाहिँ supported ये चाहिँ okay npm बाट बनाउने हैन then follow the array requires 20 plus some templates require higher Node.js version 2. Alright, community templates require okay, let's go to a new desktop अनि यहाँदेखि चाहिँ गरौँ हामी documents make dir e-commerce front end cd यसमा कोडमा जाऊँ because I don't know how to use this other one. npm छैन, so we'll need to install it. node.js and npm. Node.js was already installed, so we get on with our project. Project name is ECOMMERCE React, and we'll be using JavaScript. Use roll down install with. Okay, do it now. So I've realized that they updated this CLI something, but it isn't that different. But there are some things that I noticed which I did not do previously. Okay. Alright, so it is there. Source assets, don't need this. App CSS index main index CSS, we don't need this. We don't need the like the entire thing, and we don't need this app.css as well. Let's just return this, and hopefully, alright, so there must be some kind of problem. What? Alright. Open up a terminal, documents and e-commerce, and npm run server, npm run, and then server. Did I already forget how it's supposed to be done? npm run dev. Okay, so it's trying to import all these things that I just deleted, and okay, we are left with a clean working environment. Just download the React tools, install for Chrome. I don't know why we need it, but I'm like, fuck it, let's just do this. And now in our source, I'll create a folder, and I'll need a navbar, right? I'll need a navbar. Make it JSX, right? From this is tough, man. This is tough. How am I going to okay, use state like I'm not really using it right now, so export default function navbar and then return class navbar. It is doing something. Okay. So there is this export default sorry, no, function navbar. So we do have a function called navbar, and we'll import it in here. Sure. And keep it coming. Navbar. We just imported it from navbar. Okay. This is bad. How do I fix this? With the help of Tailwind and the CSS. That's how I'm like, we'll need CSS. We can do this with add Tailwind to write with React. Okay. npm I via npm install post CSS auto prefixer. I don't really know what this does. So npx nil array could not determine executable to run. npm, this will create these two files. Okay. This has been depreciated. I feel like it's been depreciated. Tailwind CSS React JavaScript. Okay, JS as well. Nice. Okay. So it's for v3, it's for version 3, but apparently we have version 4 now. So maybe we need to use version 4. Tailwind CLI using light. Add Tailwind to React Byte and SCR okay.
Tailwind CSS version 4 is months ago. No longer where we want to build the project. We want to install a folder in a new with at these we continue with step 2 of the installation guide.
Alright, so JS.
Let's open it here and paste it in the terminal. We should find continue with step 2 of the installation guide. And for that, we need to navigate to the vite.config.ts file and add these two blue marked lines here. So copy the first line, navigate to the file, and paste it in at the top, just below the other import. Back to the installation guide and then copy the second line and paste it in the file. In that step, and move on with step number 3. So copy the import rule. Then in the project, we navigate into the source folder and open the index.css file. And at the very top of this file, paste in the import rule. Again, make sure to save the file. Step number 4. We can now start the build process by running this command in the terminal. So let's copy the line and paste it in here. Then copy this link and open it in the browser, and that's it. And open the app.jsx file. Then we search.
So navbar ma chahi we might need to import it. So import के भन्छ import this maybe. Okay, this seems to be working, or is it? What if I do this? It's not going to make any change. Just navbar container, navbar item. Okay, this is working, eh? Make it responsive with. I am not going to complain. Okay, so we have this. Traditional Nepali attire-लाई चाहिँ अलि कमर्सियलाइज गर्नलाई बनाएको वेबसाइट भन्ने खालको थियो हैन हाम्रो. Create a logo with AI prompt. Alright, free. Let's try to do this. Let's see if we can get it. A minimalistic logo of traditional Nepali dress with Vastra first through. And keep it shallant button or shallant buffer. Gee. I'm doing a lot of stuff right now and I'm live and I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. Let's see what it comes up with. My logo will define the entire theme of the website, so it better be a good one. Hey. Wait, it's working. Let's stop this one. Fuck it. Stop this one as well. Okay, this is going to be a very messy stream. I'm doing all kinds of stuff. I will also install the game Last of Us Part 1. Let's try to do that. The Last of Us Part 1. Okay. Let's make a gaming bottle. Bottle is basically an isolated Windows environment that has some kind of configurations done ahead of time, and from what I know, the Dodi repacks are the ones that are most compatible with Linux. So I'm trying to do that. So we'll run the executable. Oh fuck, nice. So we will run the executable that we generally use. Okay, let's proceed. See somewhere. Okay, install directors. Okay. Yeah, install all the languages. I'll be done with this game in a week. Next week I'm going trekking, but before that I think I should complete it. Okay, let's see the CPU uses. Holy shit, must be crazy. Damn. Alright. Memory usage is more than CPU usage. I didn't expect this. Damn, we look how it tanked. It was constantly at 13 gigabytes. Now it's okay. Fuck me. Azar, memory sort is avoided. छैन छैन हेर्छु म What just happened? Let's make a shortcut. Downloads and Last of Us Part 1. Let's add it. Launch the setup. Install it. Proceed. Already exists. Okay, let's install this. Bottles memory shortage was avoided. It said. So I'm not really sure what happened over there. Wait, okay. Half the memory is being used by bottles. Okay, so virtualization does come at a cost. This is not happening because the system is considered closing unzip browsers. Okay, I don't think we can install it. Fuck off. Okay guys, I'll see you after I'm done installing this.